If you want to check out how I make money online every single month and how you can too, click the first link in the description. Now let's get to this video. So if you are somebody who wouldn't mind a work from home phone job, but you feel like you can't apply to it because, you know, you got noise in the background, you might have, you know, pets, dogs barking, you might have little kids, or even just annoying ass adults, right, in your house, and you're like, man, I want to work from home, but I can't do the phone stuff because it's too much noise. If that's you, it's all good. You still can do this work from home job. All right. And this comes from a company called Yardi Matrix. All right. If you never heard of Yardi Matrix, they are a company that hire rent surveyors. So all you have to do if you get hired is call different properties and ask the management or the owners questions. That's it, right? I mean, it's a little more than that. Obviously, you got to record the answers. You know what I'm saying? You got to write down, you know, what they say and everything, and then turn the questions in to Yardi. But that's it. And the cool thing about this opportunity is, like, it doesn't matter if there's, you know, a TV on in the background, you watching Price is Right or Young and the Restless, right? It don't matter if your dog in the background, don't matter, right? Because Yardi wants real people making these calls, because they want the properties, I don't want to say to be caught off guard, but they want the management people at these properties to feel like it's just real people interested in staying in their properties, right? So they want real people. So it's very, very easy to do. There's no selling, there's no pressure, and all you gotta do is just complete the calls. So there are a couple negatives, in my opinion, when it comes to working for Yardi. All right, the first one being it is temporary work. So if you are somebody who, you know, is looking for, you know, 20, 40 hours a week on a consistent basis year round, then Yardi is definitely not for you. But if you are somebody who's just like, look, I just need some extra cash, you know what I'm saying, a couple $100s here and there, then you should check out Yardi, because Yardi basically hires 3 times a year, right? And the project usually lasts, you know, a couple months. So they usually hire in September and October, right? They hire a group of people to handle these calls. Then they hire in January and February, and then they hire again in May and June. Now, the cool thing is, if you do get hired for Yardi, right, you do the job and then your assignment is over, all right, then you can reapply, you know, the next few months. So if you work, if you get hired for the September, October job, then you can reapply for January and February, and then you could even reapply again for the May and June. So if you're really good and you really enjoy this type of work, then yes, you can probably potentially work for Yardi 3 times out the year and earn some nice little side cash. Now, the other negative, right, is the low pay. So on average, they say it's going to work out that you're going to get around minimum wage, to depending on where you live, you're going to get minimum wage, you know, hourly pay. All right, that's what it's going to work out to as a Yardi employee. So once again, if you are looking for high paying, you know, job, whatever, hourly pay, that's probably not for you. But if you're just trying to do some easy work and earn some extra cash that can help with some bills, help with some groceries, help with a car note, then hell yeah, check it out. Why not? All right. So if you want to check out Yardi Matrix opportunity, all you need to do, go on over to Google, type in Yardi Matrix work from home, and then see if they're hiring. And if they're not currently hiring as you're watching this video, just save it, you know, save the Yardi Matrix thing, and just keep checking and see when they're taking on new employees. And there you go. So if you do decide to apply for Yardi and you get hired, come back to this video and comment and share your experience working for this company.